Okay, this is a boiler. This is the corner side boiler by Toad Combustion. I want to identify some of the parts for you. This is yellow line for gas inlet. This is the gas control valve that is regulating the quantity of gas that goes into the boiler at any particular point. So the gas comes, this is the gauge, pressure gauge that regulates, shows you the volume that goes, the pressure that goes at any point in time. So this is for the oil side. So this is for the atomizing of the oil. The steam goes in from the steam drum, goes into this area. This is where you input your burner gun. The nozzle, this one is for the gas, this one is for the steam, this one is for the oil. This is the inlet. The inlet for this is the inlet of burner gun. The inlet, the burner gun will go line inside where the gas and the fuel will be meeting. The fuel and the air will be meeting. Then you come, this is photocell, the spark. So this is the photocell. This is one regulated to make sure the equally called scanner. This is the scanner. This is the igniter. Then this is the oil line. The oil to go inside. Follow here and go inside. This is the gauge, the pressure gauge. Then this is the shut-off valve. Shut-off valve for the gas line, for gas to go. The shut-off valve. And these are the relays. Relays that regulate the volume, release the pressure of the oil that goes into the boiler. Then we come here, we have the manhole to go to the air duct. The air duct, this is the air duct for the air to go inside from the FD fan. So this is the damper. The damper, this damper regulates the air that goes into the boiler from the FD fan. So it's pneumatically controlled. This is the motor, the FD fan motor. FD fan motor, these are the complaints. This is the coupling. The coupling is here. These are the bearings. This is where you have the fan, the FD fan, the first rat fan. This is where you have the fan. And these are the damper regulators for the primary damper. The first one I showed you was the secondary damper. So this is what regulates the damper movement, to regulate the opening and the closing of the quantity of the air that goes into the boiler. Then this is the boiler shell. The manhole, this is where you can go inside the boiler. The manhole, this one is the side glass where you see the combustion going inside. And this is another side glass where you see the combustion going inside. This is the mud drum. The mud drum, this is the manhole where you can go inside. The water stays here. Or you call it water drum. This is the drain valve, the blow down valve. The drain is where you take the drain out, the blow down valve. This is the superheater. The superheater. The hottest place in the boiler, the superheater. The steam comes in from the steam drum into this place with this header. With this header, the steam comes in from here. It will be superheated. The steam will leave here to the powerhouse. These are the drains of the superheater. This is the safety relief valve. Safety relief valve. This releases the excess steam, the excess pressure in the boiler. This valve must open to release it to avoid explosion. These are the vent valve. The vent valve. So also called the start-off valve. This valve must be open once you are starting the boiler. So this is the steam header valve. Steam header valve, because these are the vent valve, steam header valve. This goes to the powerhouse. This one goes to the turbine. The steam drum. This one is the steam drum. These are the vents, the drain line. Drain line, this is the steam drum. From here, the steam leaves here and goes straight to the superheater. From superheater, it will go to the turbine. So this is what we also call steam drum. Thank you.